Greetings, honorable KOMCA members and fellow colleagues overseas. This is CHU. It's been a hot summer, not only here in South Korea, but in many parts of the world. I hope you are all doing well in your respective regions. It has been a quite hectic quarter for KOMCA, both internally and externally. Here's a brief rundown on our business report. As many of you are aware, CISAC General Assembly was held in Mexico in June. KOMCA as a board member of CISAC attended the General Assembly to discuss key issues with the other board members. We also spoke to the press regarding the issue of buyout, which is a major threat to creators. Moreover, we promoted the upcoming 2024 CISAC General Assembly, which will be hosted by KOMCA next year, and invited our sister societies and foreign media to attend. KOMCA is giving its best effort to ensure the next year General Assembly will be a grand celebration for creators around the world. I would like to take this opportunity to invite our fellow musicians once again to join us at the CISAC General Assembly in Seoul next year. We hope that many of you will be able to attend and experience the diverse culture of Korea and have a meaningful experience that you could cherish for a long time. Up next is news about AI. KOMCA recently had a seminar on copyright in the age of AI. AI technology is an important issue for us, music creators, as it can either help or pose a significant threat to creating our works. In response, KOMCA has formed an AI task force earlier this year, calling on governments to take action to protect creators. However, AI technology has no borders, and it will take all societies around the world working together to find solutions. I look forward to working with our CISAC member societies to respond to the advances in AI technology and protect the rights of creators. In the second quarter, KOMCA continued to fulfill our social responsibility and to improve the copyright system through various initiatives. We delivered bicycles and other donations to children living in child welfare institutions and invited the senior members who contributed to the establishment of KOMCA to express our gratitude. In addition, we also were able to build a strong relationship with the National Assembly by holding a successful concert, and we plan to improve the copyright system based on this. KOMCA will continue to do our best to contribute to society and to protect the rights of music creators. That's all we have for you today. To all my fellow musicians overseas, I hope you stay healthy in this hot weather, and I wish you all the best. Thank you.